Hi, everyone! Welcome back to Modern English Vibes and our new series, Easy English Chat. We're here to make learning English super easy and fun. I'm Emma, and I'm so happy you're here.
And I'm Alex. We've got a major topic today, so let's jump right in.
It's great to see you all. And of course, the brilliant Dr. Liam is with us to guide our conversation.
Thank you, Sarah. It is a pleasure to be here. We are focusing on a key skill, self-introduction.
Exactly! Today's question is, tell me about yourself. It sounds simple, but knowing what to say in different places is important.
I mean, you just say your name. End of story.
Not always, Alex. Sometimes you want to tell a little more so people feel comfortable talking to you. It's about making a connection.
That is the perfect point, Sarah. The words we choose can invite someone to talk more. That's how conversations flow. Level 1, the basics, simple sentences.
Let's start with the basics. This is for when you meet someone new quickly, maybe in a class or at a party. We'll use short, clear sentences. Sarah, you first. Okay. My name is Sarah. I am from Brazil.
Nice. Quick and clear.
Perfect! Now, Alex, add one simple thing about your job or school.
I am a student. I study business.
Excellent. Notice the focus on the I am structure. This is the foundation for giving facts about yourself. It's easy to remember and always correct. Level 2, going deeper, a bit more advanced.
Emma. Now, let's step it up a bit. You're talking to someone for a little longer, like a new coworker or a friend's friend. Let's use two clauses or an adjective to describe how you feel. I can try. I work in marketing, and I love my job because it's really creative. Uses an adjective and a reason.
Okay. I'll use a longer phrase. I moved here 3 months ago, so I'm still exploring the city. Uses a connecting word. So.
That's great. You gave information and opened the door for a new question. Dr. Liam, what's a good sentence for sharing a hobby in a more advanced way?
A strong sentence would be, although I work long hours, I make sure to play chess every evening, which helps me relax. Uses although for contrast, and which to add detail. This shows complexity in your English. Level 3, modern vibe, current phrases.
Okay, this is the fun part. Let's talk like people do today, especially online or with younger friends. We're going to add a few modern, natural-sounding phrases to our introductions.
I can't wait to hear these. Hit me.
If someone asks about your weekend, you can say, honestly, it was a bit chill. I mostly just binged a new show. Chill means relaxed and level. And if you are really passionate about your work or a project, you could say, I'm working on a new website. It's giving major success vibes. The modern use of giving means it strongly suggests or provides a certain feeling or impression.
Wow, that sounds different. I guess it's short. If I was talking about a difficult presentation, I'd say, I nailed the presentation, but getting it ready was low-key stressful. Low-key means it was secretly or quietly a little bit stressful, but not obviously to everyone.
These phrases are excellent for showing you are current with the language. They are typically used informally, but they showcase a native-like familiarity with modern English.
So, we've covered 3 levels. Let's try one full short introduction that shows all our chemistry. I'll go first. Hello, I'm Sarah, and I'm an art student. I love painting because it helps me feel super chill after a busy week.
My turn. Hey, I'm Alex. I work in tech, and honestly, the project I'm on right now is giving me real challenges. But I'm ready for it.
Awesome. We're building a real vibe here. Dr. Liam, any final words for our amazing learners?
Yes, practice is vital. Remember, an introduction is your first opportunity to share a little bit of yourself. Whether you use simple, advanced, or modern phrases, a genuine smile and a clear voice are always the best tools.
Haha, that's solid advice.
Thank you so much for joining us. Now, it's your turn. Go to the comments and tell us about yourself. Use one phrase you learned today.
See you next time on Modern English Vibes.